Alright, so welcome back. On this episode, I'll be showing you a platform that allows you to trade cryptocurrency, that allows you to receive and send cryptocurrency. So let's get to the video. It's very easy. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you're also a subscriber, make sure you like the video, share the video. If you're a new subscriber as well, make sure you like, share the video as well, and drop a comment. So let's get to this video. So I'll show you everything you need to know about this website. Just make sure you sit onto the video. You can get the app by clicking Android app or iOS app. So click any of that. So you see this download option and click setting. So you have to allow permission in the setting for you to be able to download the app. So click on the install. Just give it like 30 seconds or a minute. Your app will be ready to install. As you can see, my app is ready to install. So I'll just click create wallet because I don't have a wallet yet. So create wallet. If you have wallet, you can import it, read and agree to the terms and conditions of the website and platform. You have to set a PIN code for yourself. So as for security, you have to select the 3 and click on generate mnemonic phrase. So click 3, generate mnemonic phrase. They will bring the phrase for you. So you have to screenshot or put it down somewhere. They'll ask you. So they asked me number 1, 9 and 8. I input it. It's import successfully. Understand. That's how you can set your app, and your app is ready to use. As you can see, I'm having zero balance because I just registered the app. I haven't deposited to the account yet. I'm going to show you how you can receive and send money on this platform. So click on the receive as I mark it out. So you see an address given to you by the website. Just click on it and send to the address. So the money reflects. So you want to transfer, click on transfer. So input the address you want to send money to, you want to withdraw to, and that's it. So copy your invitation code to send to your friends and family to earn more on the platform, because if you place your friends and family, you're going to earn more. The next step is P2P. That's how you can earn on the platform. So by completing some task on the platform and you get paid. So I'm going to complete the Twitter account. So I'm going to follow your Twitter account for me to get 300 USD. So I want to follow the account. As you can see, step by step, I click on the follow and I follow the account. Make sure you take the screenshot of the stuff you did on Twitter or anything. So because you are going to need it, you are going to upload it on their website for confirmation that you did what they ask you to do. So I upload it. As you can see, validate. Within 30 seconds, this will be validated and I will get my bonuses of 300 USD. It is under review. There's a lot of tasks you can complete to earn a lot on the website. There's a lot. So this one is for Telegram, for Facebook. There are a lot. Just make sure you complete the task and get paid. So this is the job application. This also is the task. Complete all these tasks and get minimum of 100,000, which is like 30,000 USD. Very easy to earn on the platform and very easy to use. You can send from the platform. You can also receive with the platform. So I've received 300 USD as my bonuses for joining their Twitter account. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Make sure you subscribe, share to your friends and family. Peace out.